Hi guys, Kevlar here. I'm just in the middle of building this PC. I'm doing a video on it, but I wanted to just do a quick separate chat about this thing. It's amazing. This is a Powerlink that's come with this graphics card. So this EVGA RTX 2060 Super. And I've not seen one of these before, and I think it's great. And why don't all graphics cards come with these? Or they're not readily available? Or have I just been blind? I've not really seen them that often. I've never seen a PC build video with someone building with one of these. So what it is obviously on the front of the graphics card, like all graphics cards, you've got the power slots. Obviously you plug in your power cables there, and if you don't have lovely fancy neon streamers like I have in my PC over there, then you've got these ugly cables either coming down or up at the front of the card. So what this is it's got the power connectors at the side there. Plug it in here, not going to push it all the way in yet, and then you can have your power cables coming out the side here so they can go out the side of the case nicely hidden away. I think that's brilliant. So yeah, if you've not seen one before, then it exists and that's it. It's called a Powerlink. So I'm going to carry on building this PC and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Right, okay, so here we are. I've got the GPU installed into this PC with that Powerlink bracket on the side. As you can see, we've got no horrible cables coming down here. They're all tucked in the side here. So yeah, really good. I mean, this case probably isn't the perfect case for it because it's not a huge case. So I couldn't tuck the cables like going that way, if that made sense. If I had it in my case here, there'll be so much more space to the right of the graphics card to tuck it in straight into the back. So I've still got the cables coming down, but yeah, if this hole here, this gap here was a bit further that way in the case, I would have been able to feed them straight into the back, which would be really nice, but it still looks good. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that little gadget and I've not seen one before. Have you seen one? Let me know in the comments. What graphics card have you got it on? Or is it just EVGA? Or can you buy it as an aftermarket product? I don't know. I'm going to have a look. Yeah, it's brilliant. I love it. Anyway, I hope you found that useful and also learned something. Please do give us a like and subscribe if not already done so, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.